for this shit. Niggas talking shit, we gon' fucking empty the clip. Smoke these niggas out like a fucking backwood in this thing, yeah. I remember those days I was broke as shit, ayy. A nigga that never had shit, so I had to get it by myself, ayy. Had to rock out by myself, bitch, yeah. I be smoking these blunts, getting lit with your bitch, and she wanna take a ride in my whip, ayy. Yeah, these niggas like my motherfucking kids. If they act up, you know I gotta whip them, ayy. Goddamn, like they some fucking slaves. Niggas wanna hate on the kid, 100 round to the face. We don't play TBA, up in this shit, we getting lit with your bitch. You want my dick, she ride it like a skateboard, bitch. Call me Tony Hawk, niggas wanna talk shit, ayy. We gon' empty the fucking chopper in the motherfucking bitch, ayy. Don't worry, it's cool. Thatboyamor up in the shit, nigga, I'm so cool. Niggas be acting like a fool, it's not cool. Thatboyamor, I really need to take these niggas back to school, ayy. Yeah, getting high in the motherfucking room. Niggas don't see diamonds on me like a fucking blizzard, ayy. What we causing murder scenes, coming in the shit, and we getting lit with your bitch, nigga. I'm here to motherfucking mess with the fucking game. Here we go, ayy. Yeah, bitch, here we go, bitch. Diamonds on me like a fucking blizzard, ayy.